How to unlink TikTok and Instagram account. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can unlink your Instagram account from your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar type in TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, tap on open. And make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now as you can see that I have this Instagram handle on my TikTok page. If you tap onto it, it will automatically open your Instagram profile. Let's go back. Now in order to remove this, all you have to do is tap on edit profile. Scroll below and under socials you will see Instagram. Tap onto it and it will say unlink Instagram. Your Instagram link will be removed from your profile. Tap on confirm. Refresh your page. And just like so, this is how you unlink your Instagram from your TikTok account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.